Hello, in this video we want to show how to use this micro USB to Type-C adapter. We get few questions from our customers. Want to use this video to answer those questions here. It is straightforward usually. You connect the adapter to micro USB cable, connect the Type-C end of the adapter to the phone. That's it. In some cases, it looks like the adapter does not seem to be fit into the micro USB. With a minor tweak, you can make it work. This adapter made to fit exactly, so some of those adapter might look like micro USB will not fit in, as shown in this video. In this case, all you have to do is tilt the micro USB connector a bit and insert from the edge of the adapter. As you can see in the video, it'll go in just fine. Another question we get from our customers is that I try to insert the adapter in the phone, it will not go in to the phone all the way through, and the adapter falls off. It will not stay in place. If you look at this adapter, when you try to insert in the phone, it gives you a little resistance in the middle. It only goes through halfway, then as if it looks like that's it. But actually, there is a lock. Keep the adapter in place. If you give a gentle push, the adapter will go inside all the way through. You can see this in the video as we can show here. Once the adapter goes all the way through, it will stay in place. Now you connect the cable, connect to the power source, you are all good to go. We got another major questions from some customers. This charging the phone takes long time with this adapter, or like, why is this so slow charging the phone? The adapter is defective. This is not good quality. Actually, a simple answer to those questions, it is not the adapter. The adapter just changed connector type from micro USB to Type-C. It will not improve or degrade the charging speed. The charging speed depends on your phone, the charging cable, and the power supply, the USB power supply that you use. We are going to use two different USB power supply and two different micro USB cable to show the difference in charging speed. The micro USB to Type-C adapter is going to be the same across this test. First, we are going to use a USB charger with the output of 1 amps, and we're going to connect a simple USB power cable. As you can see, the estimated time to completely charging this phone is going to take 1 hour and 11 minutes. Now let's change the USB power supply that has both 2.1 amps and a fast charging port. As you can see, the estimated time went down to 47 minutes because this power supply is high amperage. It gives you 2.1 amps, higher than the previous one. So your time to charge the phone went down. So it depends on the power it can produce. Now let's connect to the fast charging port. And even though you're connected to the fast charging port, the estimated time to charge the phone remains same. It did not go any further down. That is because the cable that you connected, the rating for this cable is only 1.5 amps. It cannot do a fast charging. That's what I want to show here. We're going to use a different cable, which is 2.1 amps rated. Same type of adapter. So let's go ahead and connect it. It's connected to the phone now. Let's connect to the 2.1 amps port first. As you can see, the estimated time is 43 minutes to completely charge the phone. Let's change the port to fast charging port. Now you can see the phone shows as fast charging and the estimated time is 33 minutes. So you need to have a fast charging port as well as the cable that is, that can support it. So this cable is 2.1 amps rated. That's why it can support the fast charge. The previous cable wasn't, it is only 1.5 amps, so it cannot support fast charging. So you need to have a good capacity cable as well as a good charger that can support the fast charging. So it is not the problem of the adapter. Usually it is the one of the two. Either it's the cable or the USB power charger or both. So that's what we want to show in this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, send a question to C support, customer support, C support at dailysmartbuy.com. We try to answer your questions as much as possible. Thanks for watching.